Hey, mate! Hey! Hey, man! What the? You rascals! Guys, I just said it in a jest that I want to do solo camping on the top of mountain. These rascals actually left me out here. Come on, let's go up. Come on. Oh shit. Let me keep this down here. Woo! Oh! Guys, do you know what is this? Come on, I'll tell you further up in the video what is this. Oh man. Yeah! So guys, finally! I've reached the place I wanted to come. Such a thrill! Yeah! But guys, no one visits this place. That's why a lot of tall grass has grown over here, see. So, to put up a tent, I think I will have to clear out all this grass. So let me first clear out all this grass. And after that I will give you the complete and absolutely mind-blowing view of this place. I'll have to remove this. If I don't remove this overgrown grass properly, then a snake or a scorpion can come easily, so I will have to keep it at such a level that I can see clearly. Alright guys, the place has been cleared up. And the luggage is also here. Let's put up the tent. But before I put up the tent, let me give you the entire view of this place. But I have one thing with me. Oh shit.
Take off.
My god, we are really at the top of the mountain, man. I'm not an expert in putting up a tent. Do you know how to put up a tent? Okay, tell me, how many of you have tried camping or these kind of thing before today, huh? According to me, we should do it. But we shouldn't do it at such dangerous locations. Because many times there is a threat of snakes. There can be leopards on these mountains here. Many bear can be found here. I mean the brown bears. Woohoo! Woohoo! Guys, I think I have set up the tent. I still need to fix it on the ground. The climb was so difficult that I have almost finished all of my water. So now let's arrange all the supplies inside this and let's go down and try and look for some water. Okay guys, I'm leaving all the stuff behind over here. All of you please keep watch just in case a tiger comes or some leopard comes. Guys, I'm sure I'll find water, but this steep climb here, this is quite difficult. If I can find cowherd who might be tending to some cattle, then maybe they might have some water to spare, or they might be able to tell where I can find water. Guys, you please stay right here and I will go on foot and search, and I'll look there and I'll look all around. I should get water somewhere. You guys stay right here. Guys, I haven't been able to find water yet, but I found something different. Look at this. Look at the structure of these rocks, man. They look so deadly. How did they form like this? You guys tell me how. I'm unable to understand, because how do these craters form in them? These rocks are very heavy. Look how there are craters form in them. Come on, let's look for water somewhere else. Let's go to that side. It's possible that it may be there, because something like a river is flowing down. I'm sure the water must be collecting somewhere or the other. Let's go there. So guys, I found water. There is very little of it, but I can't drink it because there are some insects in it. Look at this, guys. There are tiny insects inside it. Look. I certainly cannot drink this water for sure. Look at this, guys. I found some more water over here. This is sufficient for me, but I think there must be insects inside this as well. This has been stagnant over here for quite some time, so that's why there are insects in it. Look at this. Let me show you. See this. Look at this. Insects. If I drink it, then I'm gone. If I drink this water, then I will get diarrhea, vomit, fever. Let's go for a different options. Let's go somewhere else. Guys! 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 Yeah! Guys, I found water! I found the water. But I am so dumb. I'm really so dumb. Please write in the comments below that I am extremely dumb. I had a drone. The effort that I put into roaming around here and there on foot, I could have easily done that with a drone. I could easily locate the water using the drone. Over there down below there is a tiny lake. Let's go over there. Come on. I'll take you down below there. Guys, there is the water. Hang on. Let me zoom in and show you guys. Wait. There it is. I'll just have to go down to it. Let's go. Oh man, this is very deep. Although we cannot drink the water in this, because when I had come here to set up the camera, right then I had seen that this water is extremely dirty, because it has been stagnant like this for a long time. We definitely cannot drink this, guys. Yeah, I know, I came down from there once again, just acting a little bit. Hey guys, understand the emotions. I'm just trying to make sure that you are able to feel the same thing I'm feeling over here. I can't drink this water, man. I'll have to look for some other option. This is even more dirty than that puddle on the rocks. One more thing, man. These laces of mine keep untying again and again. See, this is how I tie my laces. Something like this. When I run, these laces opens up. Is this right way to tie laces? Or should I be tying my laces in a different manner? I don't know, man. I haven't learned how to tie laces properly till now. Guys, look at this. Some cowherd has kept his bottle over here. But this is empty. There is no water in this. If I try to look for them, then I'm sure I can find more such bottles like this. It's become quite old as well. There is no water. Guys, you won't believe it, but I have found water. I found water. Do you want to see it? Look over there. Look at this, guys. I told you, right? There would be some or the other cowherd who would have made arrangements for water. Because those people come every day. Thank God. Come on. I hope just those bottles are not empty. Okay. Someone had snacks over here as well. Guys, just pray that there is water inside this. Yeah, bingo! Finally, guys, I got water. Oh, wow. I found water. This has water as well. What fun, man. And guys, look at this. These people have made arrangements for tea and all. See, there are cups in this sea. Look at this, guys. Guys, finally I found water. Anyway, no worries about coming all the way down. At least something good came out of it. But man, finding water over here is a very difficult task. Thank God. Water is life. Maybe this water hasn't been brought from down below. It has been filled from up somewhere. I can tell you by the taste of this. No, man. This means no one can bring water from down below. There is no way. Let's keep it back over here. This way I found water with a lot of difficulty. They probably find it in the same way, which is why they have filled and kept these bottles here. Let's not use any more of their water, because you can see bringing the water from all the way over there. I can't see any way in which we can go and get water. Look at this. And guys, I'm just realizing I've come so far below in search of water. That peak that you see in front of you, my tent is not there. We have to cross 2 more mountains beyond that to reach out our tent, guys. Come on, guys, let's run our brains. If these guys have found water, then I think I will also be able to find water somewhere. Guys, we will have to follow this mini lake over here, the source from which water flow in here. So if we can find that source, then we can find water to drink over here, and that must be getting naturally filtered. Come on, let's pick up our camera. Let's pick up the bottle and let's go. Come on, let's go. Guys, I just gone to pee right now. So that my urine, I don't know why it is yellow in color, guys. Don't get offended. I'm telling you all that is happening with me. It is completely yellow in color. I don't know why. You tell me. Yellow what? It is because of some infection? Or why then? What's the reason for it turning yellow? Guys, my guess was bang on. You can see that finally I have found fresh water to drink over here. This water that is flowing, it is getting filtered naturally from up above. And we can definitely drink this, guys. Look at this, absolutely clean water is flowing here. Absolutely clean and clear water. We can drink this. Guys, usually I will never recommend that you go to such jungles, such desolate or deserted places. But if you are an expert and if you have knowledge and if you want to go and if you go and if you find this kind of plants, guys, this is wild plant, guys. So you please do try one thing. Take one large leaf like this one here. Here it is. And keep that leaf like this and on your fist, and then yes, guys, it becomes a cracker. It sounds like a firecracker. You probably can't hear it so loudly on this mic. Let me do it once again and show you, but it has a very loud sound. Did you see? Isn't this fun? New trick. Who all knew about this? Just comment down. Guys, I have brought as much water as I could. And I'm not going to go down there at all. I'm not going down at all. And now we shall open the box of treasure, guys. There is one pump and these are noodles. Check it out, hot and spicy. I have soup as well, guys. If I feel cold, I will drink soup. And this. I don't know why, guys. I got popcorn as well. Cool. Guys, I have two umbrellas. One umbrella is for the camera and the other umbrella is meant for me. Ding dong ding. And I have many more things. I have two cameras. I have one iPhone. I have a Samsung. I have an RGB light. I have a flashlight. And guys, I have this amazing thing. This is very difficult, man. Guys, I didn't even realize how evening crept up. So now, first of all, tend to the stomach and then any other work. Oh guys, the light just went off. Guys, I completely forgot to charge this. It's hot. How dumb I am. Look all around me, guys. Not a single person, nor any trace of a human being. Those lights that you can see far away, that is the city. Let me zoom in and show it to you. Take a look. Look at this, and I'm this far from the city. And guys, believe me, I'm feeling a little scared. I don't know, I mean, all this while I was talking to you and I had to eat noodles as well. I ate the noodles, did everything else, but now the moment I'm getting up, this black pitch dark that is there back there, this is really scaring me. Should we do one thing, guys? Should we go down and set up our tent over there? Or do we stay right here? The danger in going down is the path won't be visible. I was thinking if I pitch the tent down there, I would be a bit safer. Because man, this is a little too high. But yes, the advantage of staying up here is any wild animal might not venture up to this height. So maybe right here. Look at this, guys. All of this is jungle. The place I'm pointing out with my flashlight, all of this is from here to till where the flashlight is traveling. This, and around the back. And all of it is the jungle. Listen to the sounds, man. Different kinds of sounds are coming from there. If my family members watch this video, then they will definitely scold me. They are going to scold me so much. What's the need to go there? Why are you mad or what? What was the need to go so far and why are you doing like this? Okay guys, now let's just sleep. I have a tent light as well, which if I just take inside the tent and light like this, so there will be light inside. Look there, guys, out front over there. Look at this, the view that I am getting from over here. This is wow, man. But let's close this now. The wind is cold, man. I'm going to go to sleep wearing the shoes because if something comes here, then I'm sure you can understand shoes are necessary in place like this. I just won't take it off no matter what happens. I know that my socks can also help me discover heaven, but I still won't take them off. Yes, guys. Okay, guys, let's close this up. No, this one is for this. Let's close this one here. Guys, one more spider has entered the tent and I've closed this as well. Hey man, it was slightly walking on me. I said, what is this? Throw this out, this spider. Hey spider, get out. Hey spider, get out. I have to do something. How should I go out? Where did it go? Hey spider, why are you going there? Oh man, I'm feeling scared of it. I don't want to become Spider-Man. Get out. Oh man, rascal. Where did it go? Where's the spider? Oh man, it is on my head itself. Let me go out. Wait. Let me throw the spider out first. I have to do something with this spider. It has made my life miserable right now. It's troubling me. Where'd it go? Where are you, spider? Hey, spider! Where are you? There it is, guys. I have to do something with this spider. Come here. Come here, come climb on this. Don't go down, climb onto this. Climb onto this, Spidey. Climb onto this, Spidey. Climb onto this. Spider! Hey, you, spider. Ah, spider. I'm out. Oh man, it fell again. Oh, where did it go? I dropped it on the bed, guys. Here it is. Climb up here. Where are you trying to go? Oh guys, I do so many big things but I can't handle this tiny spider. 1 second. Come here. It's on it. I got it. Thank God. Bye bye spider. Let me keep this out as well. Otherwise the spider will come back again. And let me keep something else for my pillow. Let me keep this. Let me close up quickly. I don't want any spiders this time. By the way, where are the spiders coming from? Quickly close up or there will be spiders. Here it is. So many mosquitoes have also come in this short time. I'm not going outside. Spiders come in the moment I step out. Good night, guys. Let me do one thing. I will let this light blink so that there will be safety. If the battery runs out, let it run out. I don't need it in the morning in case I leave it blinking like this. Good night, guys. I keep doing these kind of challenges, but I have not understood one thing till now. If you are alone, you are in such a deserted place, and if you feel scared, then what should you do? Should you sing a song? You tell me, guys, what should you do in this kind of situation? How do you stop yourself from feeling scared, and how do you enjoy that place? I was enjoying this place for so long, but now I am not enjoying it.